This right here is a hydraulic motor, and for this hydraulic motor is for this 2-chain conveyor system, which brings boxes to the front of this line. I have put a photo eye right here to operate it with a reflector up there so it can see when a box arrives. Ran it a pipe right here, spliced for my wiring for my photo eye. Then I put this switch right here, so if I go up, it'll go forward and the photo eye controls that. If I go reverse, it'll shoot back the 2-chain conveyor system. This is my control box that I made just to keep everything as nice and clean as possible. I didn't want to use wire nuts, so this made it a lot cleaner and simpler to troubleshoot when it's time. I got 2 valves that actuate that motor. It's either forward or reverse. And this is set up right here. I put a fuse to feed it with 5 amps. Right here, this is fused. That way my motor and my photo eye, it doesn't overload. If it does, then this fuse will pop and cut off the circuit. But I also have a dedicated 120 line here, which I'm using to feed this outlet at all times. 24/7, I got 120 power coming in and back to this outlet. But this is just for my control power for my hydraulic motor. So if I push it in, it eliminates my switch, and I have a green button on here that indicates that I have power to my switch. All right, so if I go reverse, the 2-chain conveyor system will go back. I stopped it. If I go forward, it sends power to my photo eye, and my photo eye is telling it that it doesn't have a box. And here's my photo eye up to my reflector. But if I simulate a box coming in, it stops my 2-chain conveyor because it's blocking my reflector. Right, if I open it, it tells my 2-chain to keep coming. Stop. And there you have it. Simple wiring for a 2-chain conveyor system that operates off a hydraulic motor.